Hello everyone. In today's quick video, you are going to learn how to edit or remove the captions on your Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. So first of all, you need to swipe through your frame and select the photo which you want to edit. When you tap on the screen once, you are going to see this type of menu here on the top. Now from the menu, you just have to tap on the option of adjust photo, and here you are going to see the different editing options. So among them, you just have to look for the option of caption. When you tap on the option of caption, you can now edit the text or you can delete it completely. Now after that, you just have to tap on the check mark in order to save your changes. If the caption option is grayed out, it means that you can't edit it on your frame. In that case, this particular thing happens when the photos was sent using your Frameo application. Only the photos added through the external storage like SD card can be edited directly on the frame. In this case, you will need to edit the caption from the photo before sending the photo again. So you can go through this particular GIF for more clarity of the options. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.